Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the journey that has to the plus. Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall on my right hand. What's a toast with the friends that take off every load. One time, kids sit down in a class and we board then only see the road and me go on with the road. Third for me, say me tired thing. And you know it farm love to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credit, say I sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the higher ring like hello, brother. Say I just shut down. Saw you post a spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need it,
We are in the Bahamas.
it's a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall on my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that take off the road. One time, kids sit down in a class and we board then only see the road and we go on with it, go on with it. That's what blessings are for me.
Oh no, that was different level. The construction is crazy though. We could, but that walk.
That's what I was thinking about.
Unless we do whenever we go down, because we're probably gonna go down anyway.
Like tu noche? Días tu noches? Just días? Yeah. Yeah, time, yeah. 4:30 you stop? Okay. Thank you.
Okay, I'm about to be
Do it from the soul.
I feel like you look over there and if you look here, you be like, oh, now
Put my phone away, bro.
yeah, you're right.
Remember, you gotta be like, oh, you're vlogging.
Oh, you're vlogging?
Yeah.
I feel so at peace. Similar primo. Okay, that's it. We can't do it no more.
Yeah, we can. But anyway, yeah, book that trip.
Book it.
Book that trip. Take that vacation. Take that PTO.
For real.
Quit the job.
Quit the job. Quit the job. Quit the job.
That's not good advice, bro.
Quit the job.
Yeah, I know I quit a job in a heartbeat.
No, you would.
5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my yarn. Fear in my mind is a warning. Running to the one you're riding. I've been wandering all day, trying to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Trying to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind behind. All these thoughts are troubling. Ready to give up my game. Ready to be on my way, my mind. Wanting to be other side. Ready to leave my life. Ready try to take me out. Tell you what I need. I really need Ghana. I really need Ghana. I really need Ghana. I really need. I need to see my mind out. I really need Ghana. I really need different Ghana. I really need Ghana.
Happy birthday. Yes.
Thank you, guys.
Send me love that you cannot fix. One is the joy that you cannot fix, and the other one price that you cannot fix.
Nah, she was sleeping though.
I was sleeping.
No. I'm saying I don't think you were gonna sleep past like what time did you think you were gonna wake up?
10 a.m.
I feel like this girl could have slept until tomorrow if she really wanted to.
I don't think she got knows. If
I feel like no, but I feel like on vacation I just
But you right on vacation.
I don't know how you did that. I was like, we were talking to him and you guys fell
Who was
asleep.
snoring? Me?
yes, bro.
When
I
last
snore
night or in the car?
car?
Oh, I don't know about that.
I don't snore.
She was like, no, it wasn't. It was like, I was like,
oh yeah.
like we
I
just.
was like, don't tell me I start snoring now. Hey.
I'm feeling vibes all night. I'm fucking dynamite. I play up and all night. You know I'm just that right. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill my vibe. I see you watching my stories. I see you getting my lifestyle.
get sour, come on, go and sit down. I go just para.
Sono social media about the
don't take my energy from your cardula. In my house, no say, I be my healer, everything I desire. I go receive my ribbon, flow like a river. If you get sour, come on, go and sit down. I go just para, come on, my jigger. I go just
Mystery flavor. Yo, stop his reaction. I don't think I'll like it. Is it good? Can I taste it? It tastes like the chicken we had. No, try. It's not bad, but it tastes like the, oh, sorry.
my lifestyle. I see you watching my movements.
But yeah, my friends, they are up there taking pictures. We just got to, they said it's pronounced Oya. I don't know, it's spelled O-I-A at the Goldwyn. Our restaurant is so cute. We wanted to come here for brunch, but they were closed, so I don't know. But yeah, we tried so hard to be here on time, so hard. We started getting ready like maybe at 6 p.m. and the reservation was for 9:30. We got here at like 9:40 something, and they told us, basically they seated us at the bar and they told us that kitchen closes at 10, so we had to hurry up, place orders. I did not want lamb chops because I had that yesterday, but I was like, you know what, that sounds like a safe option, so that's what I just got. But yeah, we're out here taking pictures. I don't know if I want to take mine outside though, because I don't know, I don't like the dark. Not that I don't like it, but I have an aesthetic that I'm going for on my feed. But yeah, I'm about to show you guys what the vibes are.
Make a call, make a bong, 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 make a call, make a keep a deep bong, 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 your body kakara, make a bong, 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 on a make it. Kilo fat, I'm on that chocolate, fine, oh, but why not more, your body, chocolate, bush it ready, yeah, in my day, the ball, see, kilo fat, why now, my lady, that be within there, body, I'm a damn easy, baby.
Who's tired right now?
Over there.
Which is the same girl that slept for like 10 hours?
I've been tired, but the night's
Naps make you tired.
like I can take another one right now.
Restaurant is so cute. So we are at breakfast again. I don't even know if I explained this yesterday, but basically it's like a brunch buffet. Atlantis is where we're staying, but it's not all inclusive at all. But yeah, they have a buffet, so that's where we've been getting our breakfast. Even though we do want to try like breakfast outside of the resort, we just don't wake up early enough for it, because I feel like all the places that we wanted to go to, their breakfast ends at 10:30. So right now it's almost 12. It's like 11:40 something. So yeah, we're about to eat. Anyway, how was breakfast?
It was good.
Breakfast was better yesterday. I'm gonna be honest.
Yeah,
Really?
We
I
had
think it's
more
because of your
options
eggs.
That wasn't just the eggs,
She loved her omelet.
but yesterday the omelet bust.
Yeah, the omelet did not hit today. I didn't
Nice.
even eat it.
Yeah, you didn't eat yours at all.
Yeah, it was alright. I liked it yesterday better.
It was good though. The waffle was good. I tried that today. I like the waffle.
The waffle, I didn't try that. The pancake was not good today. It was better yesterday.
Yeah, I was not feeling the pancake.
I was feeling the French toast today.
The
I
French
had the French
toast.
toast yesterday.
What
It
did
was
I
good.
like today?
You got crepes.
Yeah, I mean that was good. And the toast was good. What else? The potatoes, you can never go wrong with that.
I didn't eat it that much today.
Really? I liked
We
it.
didn't eat much of it.
Oh, they had that
Because
grilled
we had
steak.
too
It
much
was good.
food on today. We took mad food.
The grilled steak was good.
Yeah, it was good.
So we tried a lot of different things
Yeah.
today.
Yeah, we did.
My eggs was just better yesterday.
Yeah, facts. What time does the kitchen close? 10?
That's what they gonna say.
That's what I thought. That's what they've been saying, honestly. Are you recording me? Y'all look good on there?
You don't.
Heaven. Heaven. No, not tre. Hey. Hey.
Jolie.
Jolie Den. Rewind.
Watch your love for like it, why not more than, your body, chocolate, push it ready, yeah, imade, double see le kilo fe, why now, my lady, tell me what's in there, body, I'm a damn easy, baby, and you want to give me control, even want to get out, I'ma make up my eye.
Hey.
Spa today. It's a spa day.
Yes, and we're at Bahamar, which is one of the hotels that we wanted to stay at. Yeah, it's so big.
Yeah, it's
Really
nice. Yeah, next time I need everybody to come here.
It's such a vibe.
I feel like it's so us. We wouldn't.
It is.
I actually would like to try a hot stone too one day.
Oh my god, it's so good. But I feel like it's better for like when it's colder outside. But I don't know. Sometimes you need something hot on your back.
You need something hot on you all the time.
Yeah,
This weather already feels good.
it does. So how do we feel about Bahamar?
We love it already. We've only been here for like 10 minutes.
For real, it hasn't even been that long.
It hasn't even been that long. Like,
It's so different from the Atlantis.
it's very different.
It
You feel
is.
the vibe.
It's much more relaxed. I don't know,
Relaxing.
maybe, are there less kids here? I'm wondering,
This
is this adults only?
Yeah.
I can feel it. There's no
Yeah,
screaming
there's
right
no
now.
Screaming.
So I just had my massage and it was mad good. It was mad good. I feel so much more relaxed. Like, I can't go on a trip and not go to the spa or get a massage. I'm like, I don't know if my face is sweating or it's just the steam from the steam room. They should make a kid side and an adult side.
Some resorts have to
Yeah.
with the kids though. Oh, like for the parents to sit
Yeah,
with the kids.
they have. I forgot if it was a place we went to in Jamaica or what, but it's like that.
You know that video of the one guy who be like, like the
He's
older man.
Do you love me?
Oh my god, guys, I was looking for you guys everywhere.
Huh?
I was looking for you guys.
We here.
I didn't know. It's our last full day.
That's really sad.
It is sad. But I'm glad we're ending it like this. I feel like this is even more relaxing. Like, we went to the spa. We had some authentic Bahamian food. And what else?
Like, we need to come back tomorrow.
For real.
Before getting on our flight, we need to get it.
Like,
I don't know. And then we're walking around basically like where the local Bahamians hang out. And it's just making me feel more relaxed because they're so relaxed.
You've been there.
Yeah, you been there? Because
She been there. She been there. She just forgot.
I can't tell you how I know where that is.
Hey.
I know, you don't have to tell me. That's your secret.
It's my our little Bahamas secret.
Yeah, nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the track too then.
But it's a concert there, right?
No, I'm not understanding what
No,
this
the
track
concert
is.
I don't know what
was
she's
last
talking
night.
about.
Oh, last night was the
Yeah,
concert.
the concert was last night.
Why do you know all these things?
Somebody.
Yeah,
So what's going on at the track tonight?
well, I can tell you, just everyone racing up and down.
Where bikes?
Oh, bikes?
Bikes.
So bikes?
It's okay. I don't need to be on the... How much is it?
It's only $4 per person.
Okay.
Well, that was the plan. Barry, that's really why we walked.
What is it?
That's why we walked.
We walked so it could be cheaper.
had no more
You
cash.
guys insult me. I thought, me just talking with you guys, because a lot of
Here, do you have change?
Irish talk, okay?
Here's the change. I mean, do you have change?
We were so tired. We looked at our feet. We were like, oh my gosh, it's time to call Barry. It all worked out.
After all this conversation I had with you, it did nothing.
But I said when I'm ready.
Anyway.
I thought this trip was gonna give her
clarity.
But
We all came here for clarity. I came here not to think though.
I didn't come here for
didn't come
clarity.
here
I
for
came to
clarity.
rest.
I came not to think, and I did exactly that. I feel like this was the first time in a long time that I did not have to think about my to-do list, and I'm so happy about that.
Yes, me too. I agree.
Take that trip and quit that job. I'm telling y'all.
I don't know about quit that job,
Quit
but
the job.
oh my god.
Overall, this was a great trip.
It was.
It was. I will come back, and there's so much that I feel like we didn't do.
Yeah.
There's so much to do.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is the end of the
be
vlog.
back. Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you.
Bye.
But it was funny, friends, we take off the road, but then sit down in a class, so important, funny, sit the road, and we go on with it.
Hey, yes sir, that's her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her. The lavish life from on the dose bud. Before the double R, I had to hitchhike some. Her friends didn't like dudes like us, but I arrested the coochie and the feelings got caught up. Spiderweb sex must have got caught up, but there's more to it. I remember once saying let's on the peons. Let's go to